Hey guys, so I stumbled upon an interesting information about Doogee. Apparently, the brand would be launching a new smartphone series very soon called the Doogee Pure series, also known as the Doogee P Series. And included in the series are the Doogee P70 and the Doogee P70 Pro, also known as the Pure 70 and the Pure 70 Pro. These devices are extremely stylish devices. They are not rugged devices, so make sure to have that in mind. And I don't know when these devices would officially launch. There's no official launch date or price, but we'd most likely see these devices before the end of the year. Anyway, some top details of the devices were released, and as I mentioned earlier, the series consists of the P70 and the P70 Pro. So this image contains the differences between the P70 and the P70 Pro. As you can see, the P70 is powered by the Dimensity 7050 octa-core processor, while the P70 Pro is powered by the Dimensity 7300. The P70 has 16GB RAM and 512GB internal storage, while the Pro version has 16GB RAM and 1TB internal storage. Now in the camera department, the P70 features a 50MP main sensor, 8MP wide-angle lens and a 2MP macro lens, while its front-facing camera is 16MP, while the Pro version features the same 50MP main sensor, the same 8MP wide-angle camera, 2MP macro lens and an additional 8MP periscope telephoto lens, and its front-facing camera is 32MP. Both devices actually have the same 6.73-inch AMOLED quad-curved 120Hz punch-hole display with a 1224 by 2688 resolution. Both devices support Wi-Fi 6E, field light and mood lighting, under-display fingerprint scanner, which is impressive, a 5000 mAh battery with 33 watts fast charging, and it's most likely that these devices launch with the latest Android 15. So these are the top features of the P70 and the P70 Pro. As I mentioned earlier, there is no official release date or price yet, but these devices are expected to launch before the end of the year. They're actually pretty nice devices in my opinion. It's nice to see Doogee, a well-known rugged phone brand, working real hard to release standard smartphones that are actually equipped with impressive specifications and amazing designs. Anyways, what do you guys think? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.